So, shall we start our map? Our
As you
present.
wish.
Huh? Huh? Okay. Let's start our program then. Uh, Let other participants will join us, uh, and I will admit them.
Okay.
So here we are now near about 17 people here. So we will start now. Okay. So let's start our program, today's program. First of all, a very warm welcome to one and all present here on this platform, and a very special welcome to our today's guest, Honorable Corina Sujda. She is from Romania,
Romania.
and
Namaste.
welcome once again, ma'am. Welfare Association for Rural Education and Empowerment, in short WARI Samstha, has organized this program for students, teachers and parents. And today I once again welcome you, Corina ma'am. And those who are present here, I just want to introduce Corina ma'am. Honorable Corina Sujda, she is a teacher from Romania. She has been teaching science and mathematics for more than 25 years. She has been working on various national and international projects, out of which Erasmus and Erasmus as well as e-twinning are some projects that she is working on. Second,
E-twinning.
yeah, e-twinning. She is fond of traveling to many countries and with her students. Thirdly, she is a good writer. She has written many books on education, as well as she has written many articles on early childhood care and various ways to teach very child friendly to students. She is a recipient of many awards, out of which one award she has mentioned. She has received most innovative teacher award uh, in the world in 2015, and she is the board member, and she is the international ambassador of IIU, that is International Internship University. Uh, Before you start, I just want to tell you why we have organized this event. You know, we live in India, and we live in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is one of the, it is one of the progressive states of India. But in some
I
of the
know.
states,
I have many friends there.
okay, very good, ma'am. So, in Maharashtra, there are near about six administrative regions, out of which Marathwada and Vidarbha, these two regions, after every 6 year or 5 or 6 years, Marathwada region faces drought-like situation. There is a much scarcity of water over there in that region, and in Vidarbha we see floods after every 5 or 6 years. So because of that, Wari Foundation or Wari Samstha found out that we need to educate, and we need to spread the awareness of such kind of issues between among the students as well as teachers and the parents. So that's why, considering this need, we have taken this initiative. And you know one thing, I just wanted to tell you, the place Chandrapur where I stay, every summer the temperature rises up to 49 degrees Celsius in summer.
Oh,
So day by day means, to me, every season in Chandrapur is a summer season. Means, in 12 months of a year we face scorching heat in all the seasons or in all the months. So that's why we decided to conduct such event for our students. uh, is there any relation between climate change and such kind of issues? That we wanted to know from you. And now I request Honorable Corina Sujda ma'am to please start your presentation, or before your presentation you can have a little chat with our students. Whatever you like.
yes.
Please start.
Thank you very much, first of all. I'm very happy to join you today. I know, as I told you, I have many friends in India, and many are from Maharashtra state. Um, I don't know if they are from your village or your city, but most of them, no, I believe all of them are in education field. So I know very well about Maharashtra, about teachers from there. I respect and appreciate all of you. You are doing a very good job. You are trying to involve your students and empower them in each and every subject possible in school, and not only. It's a pleasure to join you. I would like to ask my friend Govinda, please mute yourself. Thank you very much. Okay, because I want the students to hear me. I can see some girls, some boys. I don't know which age you are, maybe 12, 13, 14. You are very, very cute and very nice. And I believe you are also very smart, because you are interested to join this meeting. You want to know more, and that's say very much. Thank you to my friend Vijay for invitation. So let's start. Let's see if we can find answers to your questions today.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely we
I
will.
will share my screen. Maybe, who knows?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's
I don't
getting
know if
uploaded.
it will. Okay. So we are talking today about climate change, and you can see in this picture how many areas can be affected by climate change. What is actually climate change? Climate change is the global phenomenon of climate transformation, characterized by the change in the usual climate of the planet regarding temperature, precipitation, and wind that are especially caused by human activities. Yes, human activities. As a result of unbalancing the water of Earth, the sustainability of the planet's ecosystems is under threat, as well as the future of humankind and the stability of the global economy. And look what climate change can do. Who is responsible for climate change? I think you guessed who is more responsible. When we talk about climate change, we are often talking about the increase in temperatures linked to industrial activities, and in particular to greenhouse effect. Therefore, we sometimes speak of global warming, which is said to be of anthropogenic origin. Ultimately, the causes of global warming, at least at its current rate, are not natural but driven by the human economy and industries. So, yes, we human beings are responsible for climate change. One advice: go green before we go blue. What this means? This means ice, it's smelling, and it's possible that green to be covered by water. What are the 5 causes of climate change? For example, fossil fuels expand autoplay, deforestation, and yes, in many countries you can see there many trees are cut nowadays, and this is not a good point for humanity and for our art. Fluorinated gases from different factories, and also fertilizers containing nitrogen. And